Good noon, my dear friends and lovable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, that means standard 5 SST. Already we have learnt about chapter 8, 9, 10. Already discussed about SST chapter. So we today discuss about that means chapter 10, moving near and far. That means transport and communications. Let's come to topic and know more about it. Already today we discussed about standard 5 SST chapter 10, 11. Okay, then start. First, moving near and far. That means you know when we often visit different places with a town or city. That means sometimes you travel to other cities of our country. Sometimes you go to other countries, other states, other. That means on one place to another place. Suppose so with different means of transport. That means you know water transport, land transport, air transports also. So according to distance we traveled, convenience after in earlier times there are no means of transport. People had to walk for long distances. That means you know sledge vehicle, Tonga, different vehicles also like last moment will walk. So people had to walk the long distances. That means they had to carry loads for the shoulders also. You don't know about this matter, so I already know. I have heard this news, but traditional things. So they have to carry loads in the shoulders. The such figures also says wheelless cart, then horse cart. They had to carry loads the shoulders. In the passage of time, people learned to make sledge, wheelless cart. A sledge was pulled by men or animals. That means hot cart, bullock carts. So later, the logs of wood floating on the water gave the idea of making rafts. You know that is the rafts. And the passage of time. So invention of engine. Then first invention of engine revolutionized the whole transport system. First engine was steam engine. Then petrol, diesel engine. You should look like that, rail engine. So the first engine was steam engine, which powered by the steam. It was invented by James Watt. Who was invented steam engine? That means James Watt. The steam engine helped to develop the rails transport. In due time, diesel engine invented and development of land or water transports. And electric engine also later developed. So in later years, aeroplanes were invented. The people passed many years to developing faster and better means of transport. Science and technology has helped to men to develop the vehicles, metro trains. That means metropolitan cities like Delhi, this is important, and the monorail, bullet train, modern cars, ships also, etc. Different types of transport. You know, different types of, that means expressway, that is the roadways, highways, important highways, and railways. That means trains in India, waterways, then airways, the aeroplane. Lastly, so that means the roadways. In earlier times, most of the roads are kacha roads and it is made up of mud and stones. So they are not suitable for modern means of transport. So they are wider and smooth. So those roads are made of concrete. You know, you can see concrete roads. The expressway, and United States of America had the largest network of roads. So India is the second largest network of roads, and this is the largest network of roads. United States of America, that means USA, short form USA. India has the second largest network of roads after China. The roads that connect major cities in countries is known as highways. That means freeways, expressways. Important highways in the world. Then the Pan-American Highway. That means the Pan-American Highway from Alaska in North America to Chile in South America. Different important highways. Keep remember Trans-Canadian Highway between Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Keep remember that means the Trans-Canadian Highway between which ocean? Between which dash and dash? That is Pacific and Atlantic. Such as number 3, Australian Transcontinental Highway, Burma China Highway. such like that important highways in India. That means golden quadrilateral important highway system in India. And it connects the four major cities: Delhi, Calcutta, DKMC. That means D for Delhi, K for Calcutta, C for Chennai, and M for Mumbai. That means the Grand Trunk Road, GT Road, then connects India to Pakistan. You know, very Grand Trunk Road to India. That means the Grand Trunk Road, GT Road, connects to India to Pakistan. It runs from Calcutta to Peshawar. Peshawar means Pakistan. The Indo-Tibet Road connects India to China. And number 4, the Mumbai-Pune Express in India's fast expressway. Which is the India, but name the India's fast expressway, the Mumbai to Pune Expressway. Keep remember Mumbai-Pune Expressway, India's fast expressway. No doubts, smoother and wider roads have made traveling for road comfortable and eminent. So the number of road accidents is also rising also, and number of vehicles on the road has increased pollution. So government and people should look for tackle these problems. That means, do you know the Grand Trunk Road was built by Shershah? The Grand Trunk Road was built by whom? That means Shershah Suri, Emperor of medieval India. Grand Trunk Road, that means situated to connect to India to Pakistan. Keep remember. Then quick revision 1. Name the following. I have already prepared quick revision 1. Name the following. The inventor of steam engine, James Watt. Country with the largest network of roads, that means USA, that means United States of America. Highway that connects the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, the Trans-Canadian Highway. Then the fast expressway of India, and India's fast express to India, that is Mumbai to Pune Express. Keep remember. Then railways. Railways are most preferred means of transport for traveling for long distances. No, Indian Railway, Indian biggest railway system, very comfortable and low fare also. And large quantities of goods can also be carried easily by trains. Large quantity of goods, materials, things, whatever, so can carry easily by trains. Earlier, trains used to run on steam engine, but invention of diesel engine, the electrical engine revolutionized railways. Almost all over the countries of the world have railway network. That means important rail lines in the world. That means which train to connect between the deepest, that means Seikan Tunnel in Japan, the longest and deepest undersea rail tunnel in the world. Question arises, this is the longest, but which is the longest, deepest undersea rail tunnel in the world? Seikan Tunnel in Japan. Seikan Tunnel in Japan is the longest and deepest undersea rail tunnel in the world. Then Channel Tunnel is another undersea tunnel which connects United Kingdom and France. Another question arises, which is the another undersea tunnel connects to United Kingdom and France? Channel Tunnel. Then Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world. Then the question arises, the longest, name the longest railway line in the world. Trans-Siberian Railway. Trans-Siberian Railway, that means already not here, but Seikan Tunnel is here. Seikan Tunnel, first is the longest, deepest ocean railway in the world. Seikan Tunnel. See the diagram. See the picture. And it is over, that means the Trans-Siberian Railway, over 90,000 km long, runs from Moscow to European Russia to Vladivostok in Asian Russia. It takes 7 days to cover this distance. How many days? That means this Trans-Siberian Railway to days to cover the distance. How many? That means to 7 days. Keep remember 7 days. Transcontinental Railway run across the entire railway lines in the USA, Canada and Australia. High-speed trains like maglev, you know maglev trains to China, bullet trains of Japan, TGV already here, France, that means TGV train of France and also famous. The trains run with an average speed of 250 km per hour, that means 250 km. The trains, that means the high-speed train, bullet trains and also trains in India. Fast train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane. The fast train ran in between dash and dash. Which state, which city? Mumbai and Thane. 1853. Which year? 1853. Nowadays, India's railway network is the fourth largest network in the world after USA, Russia, China. Then which railway network is the fourth largest network in the world after USA, Russia, China, India? India, the railway network is the fourth largest network in the world. Many superfast trains like Shatabdi Express, Durant Express, several luxury trains like the Palace of Wheels, Fairy Queen and Golden Chariot also run in India. Lifeline Express is a mobile hospital train in India? And which express is a mobile hospital train in India? Questions arises. Which express is a mobile hospital train running in India? Lifeline Express. Then Lifeline Express is a mobile dash train in India, running in India. Hospital train in India. Then questions, many questions arises. Some major cities of India like the Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Jaipur, Bangalore have a metro trains, and Mumbai and Calcutta have a system of local trains. And which city have a system of local trains? That means Mumbai and Calcutta. That is the railway network of India. Is the map of India. See the picture, railroads of India. Revision 2. Keep remember this questions answer I have already prepared. Name the following. Engine used in trains in earlier times. Steam engine. That means invented by James Watt. Longest and deepest underground rail tunnel in the world. Seikan Tunnel in Japan. Seikan Tunnel. See the picture. Seikan Tunnel in the. Then high speed train of France. TGV. You know TGV full form. Train a Grande Vitesse is the TGV full form. And a luxury train in India. That means Golden Chariot. Okay. And do you know the Gorakhpur railway station is the longest railway platform in the world? Then which railway station has the longest railway platform in the world? Gorakhpur. Keep remember, Gorakhpur is the railway station, the longest railway platform in the world. Then come to the waterways. Water transport. Water is the very slowest but cheapest means of transport. In the beginning, people used to make raft where they cross the rivers and lakes. That means so ship. Later on, boats are made after invention of steam engine. Ships came to being. Nowadays, being luxurious ships are used to carry people and large ships to carry goods and cargo ships. That means what are cargo ships? That means the large ships to carry goods. That is the cargo ships. And bulky goods transported from other countries by cargo ships. Petroleum is carried through the waterways by oil tankers. That means inland water is the Huanghe, China, Danube in Europe, Nile, Congo, Africa. Then airways. Air is the latest, fastest means of transport. That means aeroplane. See the picture. Aeroplane is fastest means of. With different aeroplanes named Boeing 747, A30, Airbus A38 is the different airplanes names. Okay, and see the. Very important Chicago. That means the busy airports in the world: New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Montreal, London, Paris, Frankfurt, Rome, Jeddah, and Mumbai, New Delhi, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. Important airlines in the world: American, Lufthansa Airlines, British Airways, Emirates Airlines, Singapore Airlines, Qantas Airlines, etc. Air India is the government operated airline. So this is the government operated airline, Air India. However, there are many private airlines also operating in India. Jet Airways, Indigo, Asian, and some famous ones. So I have already prepared your hard copy. That means question answer already prepared. See the follow the test also hard copy. Do practice and may God bless you. Thank you so much.